Hey guys, it's Angry Admin here, and today we will be talking about new update release from VMware. VMware vCenter Server 7.0 Update 2C. So let's see what's in it. The most important, what's new. So we see that vCenter Update 2C delivers bug and security fixes, which is a huge, because in a few seconds we go to the resolve issue section and you will see. Also for VMware vSphere with Kubernetes update, we will see the release notes and the PhotonOS update. But the most important, resolve issues. So as we can see, there's quite few of them. Storage, security, vSAN, all of them are resolved by this update. So it's a huge update. But let's dive into them. Like a storage issue, if you had one of them, like if you cannot register their EMC Unity 500 or 600 vSphere API for VASA, that was fixed. vServer upgrade fails because in the GUI installer you don't see the option to change the export directory to the larger partition, and that was a problem I came across, and I had to point to the partition manually, and that was one of my issues with the vCenter. We can also see important updates for the security. So as you can see, all those updates were done in this version. So OpenSSL, QRL, JRE, Python libraries, Spring Framework, Apache Tomcat, Eclipse Jetty, and this is special nice one, which responds from the remote web server on port 9087. My lack of HSTS response header and allow unencrypted connection, that was addressed in that update as well. There were also vSAN issues. As we can see, there's more and more of them listed here. I will not go through every single one because you can read in the release notes. But what's interesting is this, you see low memory warning for vCenter even when the system is not busy. A kernel memory accounting issue might cause vCenter to consume more memory than usual, even when the system is not busy. In the vCenter Server Appliance Management interface, you see a warning such: appliances running low on memory, add more memory to the machine. I've got the feedback from a few of people that that was the issue with their releases. Let's quickly jump to ESX update to see what's going on over here. As we can see, the patch severity is a critical. However, there is no CVE number, so it depends on your environment and your security requirements, how quick do you want to update, but I would urge you to do so as soon as you can. And as we see, the list of the resolved issue is quite nice as well, and that update supposed to resolve the issue with the prolonged booting problem, which I was mentioned in my blog angrysysops.com, when you can check this article after upgrading to ESXi7. The reboot process is extremely slow, and if you have a look, it was caused by the issue with boot bank, and you had to manually add a configuration to the boot bank. If you still with that issue, you can hop onto my blog, Angry Admin, which is angrysysops.com, and check for resolution. And so let's see what else we have. So this is the purple screen of dev. Why vSphere application appliance powers on, the host service may fail and cause temporary unresponsiveness of ESXi host to vCenter. Okay, editing advanced option, ESX host may become unresponsive if you lower the value of disk max IO size, then the operation may fail. Power on and off operation of virtual machine takes too long. Okay, in certain conditions, the power on and off operation of virtual machines may take as long as 20 minutes. Yes, that happens. So as they say that the issue is resolved, the fix removes unnecessary locks on storage resources and introduce the fast mutex to enhance VM power operation performance. That's good. That may happen. What else? In vSphere client, you see incorrect numbers of provision space of virtual machines. I never came across that one. And ESX host fail with purple diagnosis screen due to the call stack corruption. Okay, this is the long. What is this? This ESX host might fail with purple diagnosis screen when virtual machine power on. Okay, that's been resolved. Failure of some Intel CPUs. Okay, the host service logs a warning for zero power supply sensor every 2 minutes. Okay. No, the purple screen again, NVMe device, VMDK, VMFSS data store. You may see report CPU lookup errors. What else? After updating to hardware version 18, you see the guest OS kernel panic. Okay. After update to version 18, some boot machine, you see kernel panic. Okay, that's been resolved. Very good. I see something on a 6 control issue. Okay, if you configure the scratch partition on the root directory of VMFS volume, upgrade to 7.0 fails. Yes, that was mentioned before. To the fix, the fix adds the check if the file system is VFAT before converting into OS data. Okay. Okay, unresponsive. Oh, this is the issue I was talking about earlier. Boot time of ESX host slows down after upgrade to A. And as we can see here, the slowdown up to 60 minutes. In my case, it was 6.5 hours. So yeah, pretty long time. The issue occurs only when you see you use a vSphere Light Manager image or baseline. So I was using the baseline. Okay, if you use image, it's not a problem. So yeah, the issue is resolved in this release. The fix increased the tolerance limit when the boot config. So this is it. So the boot config by a boot bank. That's what you need to change in the resolution in my article if you want to check on the angrysysops.com. But this was this problem and it's been resolved, which is great. What else? vMotion operation, vSAN rebuild, no, vSAN build recommendation, engine health. Okay, right. What else? Over here, update. Click of components. Yeah, so as you can see, the list is pretty big, which is nice. They addressed a lot of issues, and I see the VMware tools as well. Update the VMware Lite VIP to resolve the issues, which is good. So this is something I will definitely be updating too. Yeah, the list is long and long, and you can always check docs.vmware.com, and you have a release notes over there, both for vCenter server and ESXi host. Okay guys, that's everything what I have for you today, and I hope you like it. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I won't be mad if you hit the bell notification icon. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.